Now we taste it. Yes, follow.
Yo.
We're in the Philippines.
Yeah.
From the UK.
Ayan guys, papunta kami sa treehouse ngayon.
Let's go.
May bisita nga pala kami ngayon. Mga taga-ibang bansa.
Buslo yata.
Let's go. Papunta na kami. Dala-dala namin itong mga water. Tsaka, ano ba ito?
Giro.
Non-stick na kawali.
Siyempre. Non-stick ang puwit. Lalim mo.
Hello, hello. Miss namin ang treehouse. Hello, Sep!
No yoga.
Miss ang treehouse. Kumusta kaya ang ating mga lutuan? Buo pa. Buo pa rin. Oh, di pa urong eh. Isang buwan na. Sige pa.
No, no, that's not. You're... Hey.
Garlic.
Sabihin ng Tagalog dapat.
You can say it on Tagalog. Sibuyas.
Sibuyas. Wow. Onion. All together? Everything?
Alright.
See there. Let's gura this. Let's cook this.
No fire.
Extra naman.
Pawisan.
So, Banas here in the Philippines.
That's it.
You're sweaty.
Sweaty. Too hot here.
Too hot here in the Philippines.
But it's nice.
Check the rice, please.
Hey! Oh, it's
Alright.
already cooked.
I have a question for you.
That's
How long have you been here in Philippines?
Maybe,
couple of 100
couple of
years.
2 weeks.
How's the cats?
The cats? Oh, Scarlet. Oh,
So, hindi ka ba nagsasawa?
What?
Hindi ka nagsasawa?
In English, please.
You are not,
Are you enjoying?
So,
Yes.
Chicken, please.
okay, here.
Salamat po.
Yon.
You're welcome.
Beautiful chef. Yeah. This is Pash Pash waiting for the foods.
Okay, now?
Yeah.
Soy sauce?
Not all.
Okay, some.
Some.
More?
More.
More?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Getting brown.
oh, the vinegar, the white
Enough?
vinegar.
Yeah, enough.
No? Okay.
Let it boil.
Okay. Adobo!
Hi sir. Good afternoon. Say hi to our vlog.
Hi. Okay,
Where are you from, sir?
UK.
UK. What's your name, sir?
Philip.
Philip.
Yeah.
Boy Bangas.
Tanger.
Boy Bangas. Red doors tayo, pre.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Then you can mix it.
Now we taste it. Nang!
Wow. Nice.
Very nice. Additional, we will add some
Bell pepper.
peppers.
Looks so yummy.
Yummy. Masarap.
Bawang. Garlic. Put garlic. Then you can already also put the onion. Then the tomatoes.
Yeah, may take this siya.
Then make it again. English talaga. Yeah. I didn't speak Tagalog. You know that.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
Already been 2 weeks.
Oh.
12 days.
Where your first stop in the Philippines?
I'm from Pampanga and then Kapampangan also.
Ah, okay.
Taknedo mo. Manok pare.
Chicken.
Spanish chicken. I put some soy. Ano to? Fish sauce. You can put the knife, gabi, because it's too hard to be palambutin. Oh no! Radish. Oh, so smoky. What? My eyes. You also add the water. Purified water. Fresh from Pasig River.
River bar. Nope.
Okay, when it boils, we can put the sinigang mix together with the siling haba. Wow! Ama. Okra.
So, say something about him.
Put some salt. Lastly, we put the keng keng. Kereng keng.
Si Kungkung.
Keng kereng keng kong. Take a montage, baby.
Masarap. Adobo.
How does it taste? How does it taste? Sarap. Delicious. How does it taste? Good. Sarap. Ito po sa bawah.
Oh, ayan. Walang mangkok eh.
I-ano lang po natin.
Tama na.
How does it taste, sir?
Brilliant. A1, A1.
Ewan! That's it! Ewan.
How does it, sir?
It tastes good. The chicken adobo is really good.
Good.
I will come back here soon.
Yeah?
Let's go, let's go. Ooh, yummy.
This is good.
Salam.
Like and subscribe to the channel. There is more and more content ready for you guys.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good food. Good company.
Like and share.
Love the Filipinos.
We'll get back here soon. And we tatapusin natin ang pag-iinom sa kanila.
Bye-bye.